all. Today our discussion will be on Cipher. Cipher is the earliest and simplest method of encryption technique. It is a substitution cipher. Here each letter of a given text is replaced by a letter some fixed number of positions down the alphabet. For example, with a shift of 2, the alphabet A would be replaced by C, the letter B would be replaced by D, and letter C would be replaced by E. Let us see the encryption and decryption using Cipher. Plain text. It is a simple message written by the user. Any message that we want to convey, that becomes the plain text. Ciphertext. It is an encrypted message after applying some technique. The formula for encryption used in Cipher is E of x is equal to x plus n mod 26. Here we use the modular arithmetic. And the formula for decryption is d of x is equal to x minus n mod 26, where E denotes the encryption, D denotes the decryption, x denotes the letter's value, and n denotes the key value. Now we shall see the example for encryption and decryption. The encryption can be represented using modular arithmetic by first transforming the letters into numbers as A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and goes on. So this is put up in a table with A is equal to 0 and ending with Z is equal to 25. This will be easy for our reference. So now we are going to consider a plain text. The plain text is attack at once and the key is 4. So we have to make 4 shift. The formula for encryption is E of x is equal to x plus n mod 26. So this table will be helpful for you to easily understand how the encryption works. In the first row, I have written the plain text, and in each column a letter is written. So the first column we have the letter A, second column T, and goes on till the last letter in the plain text, that is E. In the second row, I have written the corresponding numerical value for the letter by looking the table above. So the numerical equivalent for A is 0, the numerical equivalent for T is 19, the numerical equivalent for K from the table, you can see it is 10. It goes on. In the third row, I have written the key. The key chosen here is 4. The key remains the same for all the letters in the plain text. And then we have the ciphertext. So we have to calculate the ciphertext using the formula x plus n mod 26. So here S corresponds the letter and the n corresponds the key. So just we have to add the x value and n value. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay. So just we have to check what is the equivalent for the numerical 4. It is E. So the first ciphertext letter is E. Then the second ciphertext letter, here we have to calculate using the letter numerical value 19 and the corresponding key is 4. 19 plus 4 gives 23. So look in the table above, we have the value 23 corresponding to the letter X. So the ciphertext letter will be X. And for another one letter C, the ciphertext has to be calculated. The numerical value for C is 2. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And check the table above. We have the letter G corresponding to the numerical value 6. So this way we can find the ciphertext. And now EXXEGOEXSRGI is the ciphertext. Now we can perform the decryption with the same example, and I am using the same table. So the ciphertext is written over here and the key will be the same. And the formula for decryption is D is equal to x minus n mod 26. For the encryption, we have added the letter and the key. For the decryption, we are going to subtract the key from the letter. So here comes the table. In the first row, I have given the ciphertext. So just the ciphertext over here is copied in each of the column, and the corresponding numerical value is substituted over here. So E, the numerical value is 4. For X, the numerical value is 23. Okay. And then in the third row, I have written the key. The key is the same for all the letters. And finally, we have to calculate the plain text, where we have to apply the formula x minus n mod 26. Here for all the letters, we have the value of x plus x minus n, or x plus n, which was less than 26. Okay, if it is greater than 26, then you have to apply the modular arithmetic, but in this example we have everything less than 26. So for the ciphertext E, how to find the plain text? The corresponding letter is 4 and the key is 4. We are going to perform the subtraction x minus n. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. The corresponding letter in the table above is A. It goes on by performing the same for all the ciphertext. Let us check with the next one also. For X, the letter is 23 and the key is 4. 23 minus 4 is 19. Check the table above. The corresponding letter is T. Okay, so just if you read all the plain text letters that we have got, we can understand that we have got the actual plain text that we used in the example. Hope you have understood the concept. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any clarifications, you can reach me at familda.js@gmail.com.